Hi, it's Ali from the Creative Teaching Lab, and I'm going to show you how to use this editable template for your recital. And it's really easy. If you have a Google account or Gmail account, you'll already be able to access this template really easily. If you don't have a Google account, you can quickly make one and it's free. So after you get this template, you'll be brought over here. This is the first page. I actually put some notes here that may be helpful, and this is just an example slide. So the first few slides have different color options. You have a gold border, a kind of turquoisey border, and a holiday red. So I'm going to show you how to edit one, okay? So these are individual text boxes that you can actually move around as well, okay? Now I've already centered everything, so you actually just need to simply click on it and create your title. You can change the font and you can also change the size. Right here, you can put a thank you or quote or acknowledgement, or just say something like congratulations students. You'll notice here that there is a line in the middle. This is a bifold program, so this is actually the outer cover of your program. Let's look at slide 6 and 7. Again, here are some notes right here. But this is going to be the inside of your program, so you're going to print this on the other side of your outer cover. And there are two templates you can choose from. One of them, you can see it's closer together, so you can fit more works, more performances on this page. This one is more spaced out. So based on kind of how many students that you have, you can choose accordingly. Next, you have an example slide of invitations. Same thing, this is just an example, but you can choose your colors here. You have this holiday red, a wintry blue, a classic gold color, and a nice and cozy green color. And again, same thing, you can just type in here the name of your concert and your date and your address. If you want to duplicate it, you just right click and duplicate, and that will give you multiple slides. All right, my favorite part is creating the certificate awards for my students. So here again, it's an example slide. Now there's so many for you to pick from here. First of all, these have all different borders, but I also created different templates where there are different titles that are holiday themed. So here you have a red and gold music recital, a blue music recital, gold music recital. Then you have a bunch of different bordered winter recitals, and then Christmas recital. And then you also have ones that are Certificate of Achievement in different colors and Certificate of Excellence in different colors. Now these ones here, you can't actually move or edit the background because these are copyright, but you can click on these over here and edit any of this text. Let's just say you decide to go with a kind of gold theme for your whole recital, and you would just want to use this slide over here for your students. You can actually, here, I'll show you a shortcut. Let's put in your student's name. You can put in the event. Okay, you can put in the date. And your name. Okay, so now you already have these three done. You can right click, duplicate, and then for the next slide, you can just change the name. And this way you can create as many as you like, as fast as you can. See, I already made 3 different ones. And once you are happy with your certificates, you can go over here and download PDF. It's going to download all of these pages on as a PDF that you can print immediately at home or at a print center like Staples. If you don't want to have all of these in the PDF, you can actually easily delete them. And that's how you use these editable templates. You can use them every single year. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, hope you enjoy. Bye.